In this lecture, we take one more example on partial differentiation. Question is, if u is equal to x to the power y, then find the value of del u del x and del u del y. Means partial derivative of u with respect to x and partial derivative of u with respect to y. We have given that u is equal to x to the power y. Let us take, this is equation number 1. Differentiating 1 partially with respect to x and y respectively, we have partial derivative of u with respect to x. So u is equal to x to the power y. Now here x is variable and y is constant. So we can apply this formula. What is the derivative of x to the power n with respect to x? It is nothing but n into x to the power n minus 1. So same thing we apply over here. So what is the derivative of x to the power y with respect to x? So this is nothing but y into x to the power y minus 1. Here y is constant and x is variable. So the partial derivative of u with respect to x is y into x to the power y minus 1. Similarly, partial derivative of u with respect to y, here u is equal to x to the power y, and now we want to find out the derivative of x to the power y with respect to y. So we apply this formula. Here a is constant, means x is constant and y is variable. And we know that the derivative of a to the power x with respect to x is a to the power x log a. So the derivative of x to the power y, this is x to the power y into log x. Here x is constant. Hence, the partial derivative of u with respect to x of x to the power y is y into x to the power y minus 1, and partial derivative of x to the power y with respect to y is x to the power y log x. Thank you.